Hello, today we're going to explore the fascinating rise between the rocks and minerals. And no, we're not talking about the rocks that in rock range and but your favorite mineral rock. We're here to explore the real deal, the fascinating differences between the rocks and minerals.
Let's start by discussing minerals. Minerals are the building blocks of rocks. It's an organic, natural occurring, crystalline substance. Their crystalline structure and specific chemical compositions give rock their characteristics, properties, and structure.
Minerals have the following physical properties: color, strength, luster, cleavage, fracture, and hardness. This is the most hardest scale which is used to identify the mineral's hardness.
Minerals are basic and essential role in our daily lives and are vital for economic, social, and technological development. Minerals are also used in building houses, schools, and hospitals.
Now, let's shift our focus to rocks. Rocks are naturally solid aggregates composed of one or more minerals or multiple pieces of the same mineral. Did you know that the scientific study of rock is called rockology?
There are three major types of rocks based on their formation, and they are igneous rock, sedimentary, and metamorphic rock.
Igneous rocks are formed when the molten matter of inside the earth, called magma, comes out of a volcano and later on cools down and solidifies.
There are two types of igneous rocks. When the magma cools down and solidifies inside the Earth's surface, they are known as intrusive igneous rocks. When the magma erupts above the Earth's surface and solidifies, extrusive igneous rocks are formed. Pumice and granite are some examples of the igneous rocks.
Sedimentary rock, as the name suggests, are comprised of sediment. Those sediment could be mineral, small pieces of plant, and other organic matter that have been comprised and deposited over a long time. Those rocks can be generally found on ocean and rocky surface on the earth crust.
Two types of sedimentary rock is called the plastic sedimentary rocks and the non-plastic sedimentary rocks. So what is the plastic sedimentary rock? It is formed from fragments of pre-existing rocks, while the non-plastic sedimentary rock is formed from the remains of organisms.
Metamorphic rocks. When the igneous and sedimentary rocks are exposed to high temperatures and pressures, they undergo change. And this process of changing from one form of rock to another is called metamorphism. But hey, that takes a long time, maybe thousands of years. However, this process doesn't melt the rocks but instead transform them into denser, more compact rock.
Two types of metamorphic rock. Foliated metamorphic rocks have a layered or banded appearance. Non-foliated metamorphic rocks do not have layers or banding.
Now, let's go through the rock process. When the magma cools, it solidifies into igneous rock. That process is called cooling and hardening. Then the igneous rock goes through the process of weathering and erosion, which break down igneous rock into sediment. That sediment goes through the process called pressure and cementing, which compresses those sediments together to form sedimentary rock. When the sedimentary rock goes through the process of heat and pressure, where sedimentary rock is buried deep underground and exposed to intense heat and pressure, it becomes metamorphic rock. Then that metamorphic rock goes through the process of becoming magma, which is called melting. If metamorphic rock melts due to extreme heat, it becomes magma. And that's the rotation of the rock cycle.
To sum up, minerals and rocks are essential to our planet. They are essential to both the environment and our day-to-day existence.